Another verb we're going to use to answer this question is creer. Can you pronounce that? Creer. Creer means believe, right? So in this case, it's an ER verb. So the part that we're going to take out is the ER. Creer. So I believe that, or I think that would be yo creo que. Or we can also say creo que. What's the difference? The difference is that we don't tend to use a lot the pronoun I. We only use it when we need to emphasize that it is I who thinks that way, who feels that way. For example, if they're asking all of us what's our opinion on something, and my opinion differs from everybody else's, for example, I could say something such as, in my case, I think that. So to achieve that, we would say yo creo que. So the emphasis would be in the yo, meaning I. Otherwise, we can say creo que without the pronoun. That would be in English, believe that. Because of the conjugation, creo, everybody will know already that it is I who believes that. So we do not need to always be using the pronoun yo. So take a look at these questions. ¿Qué pensás sobre Paula? ¿Qué pensás sobre Paula? Do you know what it means? The answer is, yo creo que es muy simpática. The word simpática is not sympathetic. It means nice, right? And because it ends in A, we know we're speaking about a girl, a woman, a female, right? So, what do you think about Paula? ¿Qué piensas sobre Paula? Yo creo que es muy simpática. I think she is very nice. Can you repeat that? ¿Qué piensas sobre Paula? Good, very good. Now, we have to be able to identify when we are answering in a formal setting or in an informal setting. How do we do that? So, for example, we have to pay attention to the verb, how they ask the question. If they say, ¿qué pensás? And the verb is pensás, that would be you in an informal setting. So, we have to answer informally. Whereas if they say something such as ¿qué piensa? Piensa is the conjugation for the third person, right? So do you remember that when we saw conjugations, we saw that piensa is for he, she, it, or you in a formal setting. So in this case, if they are addressing me and they tell me ¿qué piensa de? That means they're treating me formally. They can also say ¿qué piensa usted de? So when they use the pronoun usted, it's really easy. I have it right there. I can see right there that they are addressing me formally.